Chronic absenteeism has been a growing concern in schools all across the nation, and DGS is no exception. Today we're diving into some of the initiatives taken to tackle this issue head-on. To understand the administration's viewpoint, we sat down with Arwen Lipp, principal at DGS.
Some of the things we're doing this year at DGS to improve our attendance include every student scanning into every classroom when they get there, along with really limiting passes to make sure that students are in class where they need to be. And then we also turned off the vending machines during the school day because we were finding them to be a distraction to the learning environment.
DGS is also updating policies for students with early or late release. Many varsity athletes, for example, receive early release for after-school practices.
Early release practice has been very beneficial for me for the last 2 years. I've been able to go to the trainer whenever I need to and get things done whenever I need to, or even just relax before practice and go outside early and get extra work in. I think it's been awesome, and I think it's a good thing to keep.
While many changes are positive, some are controversial. Principal Lipp says the school aims to stay open-minded and responsive to feedback.
One takeaway I really want students to be aware of is that our new policies and procedures are flexible. We put them in place for this school year because we believe they would make an impact on attendance, but I want students to know that we're really open to feedback, so please keep sending your suggestions our way.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Ellie Scannell.